and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to talk about a product called NuFace. So this is a facial toning device, and the way it works is by sending small microcurrents in the places that you would usually do contouring or gua shine, right? And it just helps stimulate collagen in the face and keep it youthful and young. So you can use this device to firm and tone your skin, smooth any lines, and then also to contour your cheeks or jawline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. So before we use it, the starter kit itself came with a gel primer, and then it also came with a little charging station. So the gel primer I've pretty much gone through, but so you can use a gel primer, but I've actually gone through most of it. So I instead just bought some aloe vera, some smoothing and moisturizing gel to replace it, because they have the gel online, but frankly, I don't think you need it. It doesn't really, it's just to help the device move smoothly across your face. So I just took a little dot and I put it wherever I'm gonna have the device go. And this is after I've already washed my face. I've also done my skincare, my morning skincare. So you just press the on button, and then it starts sending little microcurrents. So for example, I'm gonna start with my chin. So you're just gonna hold it. You don't need to press anything because the current will go by itself. So you're gonna hear a little beep. Oh, and then you feel a little tingling sensation. And then you move to the next spot. So you're gonna do 4 under your cheek, under your jaw on each side. And then one, so it's 3 under your jaw and then 1 right on your neck. And I'm gonna do the same thing for both sides. Some people do one beep, some people do 2 beeps on each, but I don't have time like that, so I do 1 beep. And then 1 on my neck. And then after that, you're gonna, you can do it on your cheeks too. So you move it slowly down your cheeks. I kind of don't like doing it on my face too much because I use an actual gua sha. So I just do 1 or 2. This is actually truly for my neck and just preventing any lines there. And then yeah, it's a super quick and easy process to use. People do it on their forehead. People do it if you have, if you feel like you have puffy eyes or aging eyes, then you can do it right underneath your crow's feet. People do it on their nose. I really just like sticking to my neck and under my chin. But yeah, it has a lot of different uses. And so it also has a lot of long-term benefits. So I'll get into that next. So it really just takes about 5 minutes a day, and you don't have to do it every day. Most people do it every other day. And then there's a lot of statistics on the NuFace website that really support the learnings from it. So 82% of people say that their face looks more toned. 80% of people say that their face looks slimmer. 78% saw smoother skin. It's FDA cleared, clinically proven, esthetician created, and advanced customization. So I will say, for the people who are saying that their face looks more toned or their face looks firmer, just the fact of that it's pushing you to do this sculpting on your face will kind of make your face look toner. So I won't say it's entirely the product, but it is important to do your facial exercises every day to maintain the skin on your face and make sure that the muscles stay strong. And so I think it really does encourage that, and it encourages it stimulates the muscles too in your face. So this is the device itself. It has 3 different attachments that you can use, and then it has 5 intensity layers, and each beat goes on after 5 seconds from one another, and there's an auto shut off after 21 minutes, so you don't have to worry about turning it on or off. And it uses microcurrent technology, and the 5 different intensity levels are kind of perfect for customization, because if you're a little more sensitive like me, I go for the lowest level. I don't really it. When I initially started doing it, I was a little shocked itself, but definitely the older you are, or if you have thicker skin or more aged skin, I would recommend the higher levels. And like I said, it can lift your brows, contour your cheeks, lift your lips, contour your jawline, and tighten your neck. I'm most worried about my neck and jawline for whatever reason. I feel like I already do a lot of facial exercises for my face, so I'm not too concerned. But I think it's just like kind of harder to work those neck muscles. So how long do these results last? Most clients see like their results after the first treatment. However, like they really recommend on the website taking before and after pictures and like lifting half of your face to compare. So people usually see that their skin tone is softer, firmer, smoother looking. I can definitely say that after I use this for like every other day for a week, my jawline does look a lot firmer. And then results from one treatment usually last 1 to 3 days. But like given that I've done it, I definitely think it takes like some consistency to see results. And then you can use it everyday use, morning or night, but they kind of recommend that you only use it once every 24 hours for 5 to 20 minutes per treatment. And then they say like for the first 60 days, they recommend 5 times a week. And after 60 days, they recommend 2 to 3 times per week for maintenance. I just like doing, like I said, I'd recommend every other day, but frankly, I do it maybe like once every 3 or 4 days. And then, like I said, it comes with this as a starter kit, but there's also, this is like the bigger one. There's also a NuFace Mini. There's lots of other options on the website. And then they have like different types of microcurrents as well. So these are like the rounded ones. They have smaller, thinner ones for like the more pinpointed parts of your face. They also have a body toning device and lots more on the website. This product will be linked below. So if you liked it, and are interested in buying it, you can go ahead and press the link below. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.